My name is Robert Russell. I come from Scotland. I came to NURIDENT to get BasalFix implants. I found NURIDENT on the internet and decided to come to NURIDENT to get my implants done. When I came to Bulgaria to get my implants done, I was picked up at the airport by a driver who brought me to my hotel, made sure everything was okay for me and dropped me off, and then he picked me up in the morning to come for my appointments. Dr. Nuri is the staff have been very helpful in, with my treatment and let me know what was the best treatment for me. That's been 3 years now since I've had my BasalFix implants from Dr. Nuri. I've had no problems with my basal implants. I'm really happy I've had my implants done. I wouldn't have been able to go on much longer with the missing teeth and everything that was wrong with my mouth. Anyone thinking of getting basal implants, I would say it's a very good idea. It's not as painful as you may think it would be. I think your biggest problem is finding a qualified doctor to do the treatment, and that's why I would recommend NURIDENT. Dr. Nuri has made an excellent job of fixing my mouth and doing my implants. I've not had any problems, and that's been 3 years now.